How to easily download fonts, search and download fonts. I want this font, but I don't have it in my system. Go to your browser after you are connected to the internet and type this, find fonts. You can go straight to this website. The site is open. All you have to do is look for where they say upload image. You can use your phone to do this thing. After downloading with your phone, you send it to your system. Even that is even better for the safety of your CorelDRAW operation. Okay, I'm going to browse for the image. Look at the image I want here. The image of the fonts. You have to make sure you have the image of the fonts. Now select the font very well. Make sure you select it very well. Click on identify fonts. So you're going to be seeing font that looks like the one you are looking for. Just search. You can even see the one that is better than the one you want. Let's say this one. I like this one. But the price. It has a price tag. How am I going to download this thing for free? Look at the name, Prima Regular. You can write the name down or click on this so that it will open very well. You can copy the name. Copy the name, Cream Regular, highlights and copy. Now go to a new tab, click and type this website, www.dafonts.com, or just type dafonts. In this website, you can look at the site here. You can download as many fonts as you want for free. The site is open. Click on the search bar here and paste that font you copied and click on search. Look at it here, and there's other fonts that will be listed. You click on download. You're downloading it for free here. Now, the reason I came to this, the reason I didn't come to this site first of all was because I was looking for the name. It's because I don't know the name. Had even I know the name, I would simply come to dafont.com. Come here and type the name of the font. It will come out and I will download. Then here also the thing has downloaded. It didn't waste time. It has downloaded. It doesn't. All the fonts here, you hardly see the one that is up to 1 MB. So don't be afraid of data. Okay, as I was saying, you can download any font. If you know the name of the font you want, just come here and type the name. You can also play around. Like if you click on B, it's going to give you some font that starts with B. Anyone you like, you select. So that's it. That's how you download font. Then if you want to go and install the font, go to your download where you downloaded the font. Look at my own here inside downloads. Look at the name, Prima. Right click and extract here. If you are using WinZip, you go for WinZip, extract here. It has extracted. All you have to do, just look around here because this file has been an old file. So I have to scroll down and see it. Look at it here, Prima. Right click and install for all. Now when you are installing all your applications, all the applications that you type inside like CorelDRAW, MS, well, they are going to hang for the moment because after installing, the file has to enter on inside the app, making the CorelDRAW to hang. If you look at this, you see that the CorelDRAW is hanging. Here it comes. After wasting that little time, you click and now go and search for the font. The name is Prima. Click. You see, although it may or may not be exactly, but at least I've gotten close, very close to what I want. So guys, like, subscribe, share.